What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I'm here to show you guys an unboxing and first impressions of the Pixel 5a with 5G, or Pixel 5a, or Pixel 5a 5G, whatever you want to call it. But I just wanted to tell you guys, I am officially a part of Team Pixel. Thank you so much, Google, for reaching out and sending me this device. I'm super excited. I've had the Pixel 4a since last year and its release. A great device, and this is just going to be adding on to the Pixel 4a and just how amazing the A series, its mid-range, its budget series is. But without further delay, let's dive right into the unboxing. So when we take a look, there is Pixel 5a 5G, Team Pixel, and let's peel that right away. There we go. There is the Pixel 5a. That is actually super cool at a glance. First impressions. So it's called Mostly Black, but looking at it from here, it's got a really nice, super dark green tint to it. That is super clean. We'll put that to the side for now. Let's actually move that. And in the box, we do get our SIM ejector tool. We do get some paperwork, and then we do get a USB-C power brick. We also do get the OTG adapter, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. And just a heads up, Google does confirm that this is going to be the last device that they're going to ship with a power brick. So just make sure that you guys know that. The Pixel 6 will not be shipping with a charger. Anyway, this is super clean. Just looking at it, just listen to that. Just listen. Man, it's clean. So before I do power this guy up, wow, that is super clean. Just looking at that display, it's much bigger. So this is a 6.34 full HD, a 6.34 inches full HD display at 60 hertz, whereas the Pixel 4a is 5.8 inches. And if you take a look at the colors, right here, this is just black and this is mostly black, but it does have that green tint to it. It's super clean though, I like it. And then if we look at the power button, which another physical thing I noticed is, yes, the colors are different, but this has like a kind of rubbery feel to it. So you can definitely tell, like the texture is different. So you can tell that this is the home button. All right, so, or the power button, let's put it that way. Let's turn this guy on, let's boot it, and we'll be right back. Okay, so when you first boot up the device, you're getting this really nice dark green wallpaper, super clean, and does go with the Mostly Black build and color. Mostly Black is what it's called, but I think this is just super dark green. I like it. It has a metal unibody build to it, and it's coated in plastic, and it's definitely not the Pixel 4. So this is just a metal or a unibody of pure plastic. So this has no really metal or glass or anything like that, but this has a metal unibody design, and you can definitely feel the heft with it. Other things that we have here, like I said, the 6.34 inch full HD display. It is not 90 hertz, it is only a 60 hertz. So what can you do? But it's still fluid in my first impressions looking at this device. You can definitely tell coming from a 90 hertz or 120 hertz, yeah, it's not as smooth, but nonetheless, it's still great. You're getting the Snapdragon 765G, which is, and I'll put the specs right up here. You're getting the Snapdragon 765G, which is the same as the Pixel 4a 5G, as well as the Pixel 5. You're getting 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of internal storage. There's no expandable storage. That's just a thing with Pixel devices. You don't get expandable storage. That's okay. You're getting a massive 4,680 milliamp hour battery, which is the largest battery cell as of right now for any Pixel device. The largest one we had before, I believe, was the Pixel 5. Correct me down in the comments down below if I am wrong. 4,680 milliamp hour battery compared to, I think this was Pixel 4a 3,140, and this already had a great battery life. I know Pixel 4a 5G and Pixel 5 also had great battery life, so this is going to kill it in the battery department. That's what Pixel devices are known for, at least the A series, really, for its budget price. Great camera, great software, and great battery life, and this is no exception. You're getting dual camera lenses, and they're kind of coming from the Pixel 5 and Pixel 4a 5G. You're getting a 12.2 megapixel main sensor, as well as an ultra wide, which is great. They're not doing telephoto like they did with the Pixel 4 as a second camera lens. On the front, you're getting a 8 megapixel camera, which, looking at the camera cutout on the Pixel 4a is much larger than the Pixel 5a. So they did decrease the size of the front-facing hole punch camera. It also does have dual speakers, stereo speakers, which is super great. Obviously USB-C, no wireless charging, and it does have a headphone jack, which is weird because flagship devices should be having more of, I guess, what you want to call features. Flagship devices should be having the headphone jack, but nonetheless, headphone jack is here, so if in any need, you'll be able to use the headphone jack. Now, looking at this, just my first impressions, it's a clean device. I like it. For $450, honestly, it's a great deal. And I'm definitely going to be making more videos on the Pixel 5a. Right now, this is running Android 11. Now that I'm taking a look at this more, so it doesn't have the Android 12 beta, and I don't even know if you can have the 12 beta on the Pixel 5a. But, well, Android 12 is going to come out soon anyway, so I guess I can wait for that. But lots of Pixel 5a and just general Pixel content is coming to the channel, so stay tuned. Thank you once again, Google, for reaching out to me and letting me be a part of Team Pixel. It's amazing. I'm really proud, and I'm super excited for the future of Pixel products. I love Pixel products. Pixel 4a, one of my favorite devices, and this is going to be great. Lots of Pixel 5a content coming, comparisons versus whatever reviews. Everything is going to be here on this channel. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, as it does help out the channel a lot, and it will help push my content out to more viewers. Thank you all once again, each and every one of you who watches my videos. It's all because of you guys that I am part of Team Pixel. It really does mean a lot. And at the time of this recording, I am near and I am past 9,400 subscribers. And my goal for this year of 2021 is 10,000 subscribers. And another one of my goals was to be a part of Team Pixel. We got that. Thank you so much, everybody. My next goal, 10,000 subscribers, is just right around the corner. Thank you all. Keep saying thank you, but it really does mean a lot. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.